Hello, this is the tutorial for how to go in and find a record in a department website. And we're going to be finding the birth record for Victoire Aglaé Gigoux, who was born on the 15th of January 1827 in Saint-Champ, which is the town, Yvelines, which is the department, Ile-de-France, which is the region in the country of France. And we'll start by going to Google and looking up Yvelines, which is the department, and État civil. That first result is going to be for the civil records. This is just an introduction. You can click on this, which is basically saying start a search. Right. Where it says commune actual here, and type in Saint-Champ. There it is. And we're going to limit it to a specific set of years. And we're going to say 1820 to 1827. I'm sorry, 1830. So we want to include years later than that, just in case the recorder was a year off. Right here are the tables, but we're interested in looking at birth records for 1827, so we'll start here. And this is what a console for the Department of Yvelines looks like. Each department's console looks a little bit different. And each department's navigation is in a different place. For Yvelines down here. Now when you're searching for records, you want to jump around a little bit and monitor where your date is at. This record, I'm going to try and jump 10 pages in to begin with and see where that takes me. I'm trying to get to 1827. So I'm on a page. I want to go where it looks like a record is starting. So I want to zoom in. And here on this page, this is the zoom tool right here. And it says that this record is taking place on the premiere of February. And then you see the year, Mille Huit, this is 1800s. And the cent is for 100. And this is Vent 6. So we are in, that is 26. We are still in 1826. We want to jump ahead. This is February 1826. So let's jump ahead 20 pages and see where that takes us. Page 30. We're going to try and get to the very beginning of 1827. Let's see where we're at now. Let's zoom in. Go to somewhere that looks like the beginning of a record right here. It says the 6th of September, 1800, so 1800s. Well, 6, so we're still in 1826 in September. Kind of getting a feel for how big each of this year is, I'm going to jump to page 50. And see where I'm at. Go to the beginning of the record, one of the records, and see where it's at. This says du 15, which is the 15th of January. 1800, so 1800s, Vent 7, which means that this is the 1827, the 15th of January. But this is for the death of Virginia, I can't read that name, and this see, this is the 17th of January. It says January, same year. So let's go back and see what's back one. And hopefully this is the right record. This is the 12th of January. So this is too far back. Well, this is the 12th, and the next one the 15th and the 19th. But that doesn't mean that the record might not still be in here. It's possible that it was reported a day late or a couple days late. So let's go. Here's a record that happened on the 15th and the one that happened on the 17th. Let's see what happens, what's on the next page. We zoom in, go over here. There it is. Okay. It says Jigu Victoire Aigle on the 15th of January, 1827. So you'll see that even if it looks like your record isn't there, scan around a little bit because it might be that it was reported a little bit late. And that is an example of how you can get in and find a record.